So I thought it might be cool to just show off Mapt, which is the tool that I've been using so far to build the Mimeo levels. It's really unrefined, and so I'm working on a new version of it, but just for posterity. So you see here, you basically got, you can control the number of tiles that comprise the level. And then you've got a tile set that's loaded in here. And this is the ground, which is used for collision detection with the environment. And so if I want to make a level that has two screens wide with a floor and walls on either side, I can do that. I can add in one-way platforms, and then currently the ground and the environment are pulled from the same map. In the next version of Mapt, I'm going to have a ground layer and an environment layer, so I can do that separately. So if I wanted to have water in here, I'd go in here and fill it in. I also want to make a way to make selections. So see this platform here, say that's too high or too low. If I wanted to move it, I have to go in and delete it and then redraw it in the new position. And that's not especially great. And then so say we've got a little pond there. You want to call it a pond. And then when I want to create the actual layers, I got to pull in the tile sets for each resolution independently and then build it out. So let's see where I'm going to find, I guess this would be the bottom. And so I have to do this for each and every resolution in the game. Now the new Mapt, what it's going to do is it's going to take the the ground and environment data, and then using a lookup, it's going to generate each of the different resolutions based for each individual tile based on the surrounding tiles. And then I'll be able to modify that automatically generated version and tweak it. And then as I tweak it, those changes will be made across the entire, all the resolutions. And hopefully make a much more maintainable and easy to use system. Also, multiple undos will be in there. And I don't think I have a water tile in here yet. I don't. But so there's the 2-bit. So now if I want to go and create the 4-bit on top of it, I could turn the 2-bit off and then go to the 4-bit layer and basically do it all over again. And so it's total drag. And it's got, you can load, currently it's just importing and exporting JSON data. The next version is going to export PLIST, which can be used directly by the Mimeoverse application. And you can turn off the grid, and you can load a custom grid. This one has, you can see there's a double line here to show a full iPod screen, which is different from an iPad screen. So the next version will be able to differentiate between the two. And I think that's probably it for this little walk down memory lane before I create the new version of Mapt. Cheers.